Hi YouTube, my name is Tara. This will be my first video. I wanted to come on today because I had purchased some Rockin' Republic stuff from hotlook.com and I received it today. I only ordered two items and one of them happens to be the Rockin' Republic Luxe Lip Gloss in Drama Queen. And it's a really light pink, kind of iridescent looking. It's got a little bit of a coral touch to it. It's really creamy. I have it on today and I absolutely love it. I will be purchasing more. The other thing I ordered was an eyeshadow. Let me get that. This is what it looks like, which the packaging is amazing. I've never seen anything better. Um, you open it, it's got a little mirror, and it's carrot is the color, and it's a iridescent white color. I used that on my inner corner and under my brow today and loved it. Like I said, I'll be buying probably tons more when they have another sale on hotlook.com. I got my e.l.f. order today, which I had ordered like 20 items. I think I have everything from them now. Um, One thing that I know I'm going to love is their Studio Blush in Twinkle Pink. I think that color's fairly new. I opened it. It's got a lot of sparkle. It's really pretty, so I'll probably be back to review that. So everybody take care, and I hope you watch my videos. See you later.